Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno Channel, and today we'll see PowerPoint presentation. Under this PowerPoint presentation, and we have learned many tabs from initial home tab to up to last view, and today we'll see the review tab. So we have to be listen carefully, and we have to understand review importance of review tab, and we have to be overall learning. It's very important because once you are learning you should be perfect and 100% for everything. And first we'll check here in review tab. First one is spelling. So that is to check the spelling mistakes or grammars. Okay, grammatical mistake you check it first. Especially you check the words mistakes. Suppose I have written here computer, so I have written correct only, so I want to make a wrong spell. Okay, when I use the wrong spell, you can see this is a red line coming, so it will be come in Word, Excel or PowerPoint, wherever is there. Whenever the grammar or spell mistake is there, so spelling will be shown in the red line. So you can see here underline is a red. So if you want to check spelling, just you have to click in the spelling. So when you spelling click there, so here options will be there. So whichever correct is there or whichever comfort you feel, you can be check, sir. Otherwise you can be click ignore. Ignore means, see sometime what happened, why you have to do ignore. See, suppose you have written your name in there, so it will show the spell wrong because that your name is not in the computer dictionary which we have software Microsoft is there. In there our name is not there. So that's why it will show the spell mirror there. That time what you have to do, you should be click ignore when you're writing some city names or your, that will be show, that time it will show the errors. So particular, this is already what is, you can see computer spelling is what, COMPUTER, but I spelled wrong is because E not written, that's why showing red. So you can be select, it will be recorrect it. Okay, you can be click here and click the change. So you can be spell check, will you go to and you can be check here. So this is the spelling. So sometime what happened, English spelling will get lot of confusion. So if you are unable to understand, if you don't know the spell, so then you write and you can be check it. And one more thing, you can check here also. See, I spelled wrong, so I want to be click here, right click, just to click here. Also options will be add. See, computer is there, compute is there, comfort is there, because whichever you want you can be take, or you can be click ignore when you required. If you want to be keep as usual what you have written, you don't want to change anything, then you have to keep. Otherwise you can be add dictionary. Suppose you want to be use your name or city name or something particular word in frequently, that word is not in dictionary, then you supposed to be add here add dictionary. So when you return next time, when you type the same thing, it not be repeat, it will not ask you error because it will be already in the dictionary. What spell you given, the same spell will be take it. So this is for the checking of spelling. You can see in word spelling and grammar will be there. And here come here research. So if you want to be search particular about this bank exam or MCQ, so it will become reference books are there. Okay, and thesaur will be there. So you can be a particular, you can be click. See, when you I have clicked here search for computer, so related all points will be there. You can see like notebook is there. Okay, mainframe, CPU. Okay, and this is about, you can be search. And thesaurs, like when you click the thesaurs of C, you can be check here. So same research and thesaurs, I written computer related, whichever words are there in English or USA English, so it will be available. Related computer I have typed here. So here related processor, CPU, mainframe, related it will become. Suppose I want to be type here somewhat teacher, I will type, or somewhat any word I'll type. So when I type, I'll be click search. So related teacher, so it will be there like educator, tutor, instructor, coach, trainer, lecturer. So multiple options will be there. So I want to keep here as I have written a computer. So when I have written computer here, I want to be change somewhat other names, like somewhat advanced I want to make it. So I will be take as a laptop, a notebook, palm book, or a supercomputer, a workstation. So if you want to replace that one, you have to be click and insert. See, suppose I have taken here, I'll come back. See, I want to be insert mainframe. Just here in arrow mark is coming, just you click here and click insert, that automatically it will come the insert option. So that is how you can be change, or any kind of you can be change it. See, you can see a laptop, I want to be change as palm. Okay, see, whichever you want you can be keep there, so you can be change in the theaters. Okay, and next comes here translate. So you want to be translate in other language, so you can be select here. First I will take one word sentence properly. See, this is, or I will type here one more word, I will type here, I'll copy and paste here, all are fine. Okay, just I'll write here, this is about all are fine. Just I'll write all are fine. Okay, so this word I want to be convert in other languages. Like I have written here, all are fine. I want to be translate other language. You can be click here, translate selected text. When you click here, okay, just you wait. It's this side is coming translate. So here it's coming. You can see here translate here English United States here to which language you want. Just you click here. Okay, you have many languages will be there. Which language you want, you can be take the language. Okay, here Japanese is there, Slovakian, okay, Hindi is there. Okay, maybe national language will be there. Just I click here Hindi. Okay, I want to be click here in this. See, suppose you should have internet. So when you click here, see, you can see here, this is called sub theek hai. Okay, if you want to be insert there, okay, just you click here insert. Okay, you can see instead of English it has come here sub theek hai, because already we written all are fine. So you can be change any language, but that language should be there. Here Hindi is national language, that's why given, like English, Marathi or Hindi. Hindi will be there only national language. Maybe like Kannada, Marathi, Telugu would not be available. Okay, I think we have to add that. I to come to know. Okay, like this you can be translate language, you can be do the translated. So I think it's understand how to be translate. It's very easy, because some people are unable to understand English, then you can be convert is a Hindi also. So we also sometimes under not able to understand. And this is the language is default English USL will be there. If you want to be prefer somewhat else, you can prefer. But thing is that when you prefer that other languages, so what happened there, you cannot be understandable, because some grammatical mistakes will be there. So that is a problem. And it comes here again, comment, new comment you can see here. See, if you want to be keep comment of particular, like you have written one theorem or essay something. See, I want to be keep this computer, I want to keep a note. Just I will be click here new comment. Okay, when I collect here new comment, so here I will have to be write about this computer, some comment I had to write. So that is comment. See, I can tell, I one more time I will tell you. I'll select here and I want to be write something about this is comment. Okay, this comment I have to write computer is, or any computer important. So you have to write one content, or next you can write here exam. I keep taking the comment, new comment. I want to write here exam is very serious, very somewhat whatever you want, you can write content. And one more I want to write here FDA is there, I want to be make rate of stand of this one. Okay, like first division clerk I want to write there. So like this you can be write first. So if you want to be give particular about comment, you can be write. Okay, just I'm writing short key. So this is the comment, and when you write comment here, see, I'm reading comment here, I want to go next, I can go next comment. Like you can go previous comment and delete. So if you don't want comment, you can be delete from here as usual, or you can be select here, you want to be delete, you can be delete from here. So both you can write, or you can be delete all comment from here also. So depend upon you want comment a particular, so it will come just symbol. So particular, like any full forms are there, any particular word you want to be keep there, there you supposed to be write about the comments. So I think you have clear about proofing box here. spelling and research and thesaurus. Okay, now it's a translate for related languages, you can understand. And now you understand, I think, comments, related comment for particular word, you can be keep the comments and show the comments or hide the comments, you can be see when you written 2 3 comments are there, you want to be check the comments pane, you can, when you click comment pane, all comment will become there. I close, sorry, comment pane, it is comment pane. Okay, this is this comment pane. Whenever you use comment, it was showing that one before, you have seen that is pane. If you want, you can use pane, or you can be change or show markup, you can be show otherwise comment same. And next comes here compare. So we have 2 3 ppts will be there, you want to be compare or combine, so you want to be mix. See, I have, you can see only the related thumbnails are there, I have not written anything. So what I want to do, I have one another ppt, I want to mix here. So I will take here compare. So in compare, I will be select my location where I save. So there I will be select one more PPT. So suppose I have here now one welcome PPT there. I will be click OK. Then it will ask you merge. Merge means what? We are combining two PPTs. We are combining two PowerPoints. You can see here just two plus files. Click merge. So when you click merge, see before here it will ask one, like here you can admin click to see all slides. Okay, you can click here. Here when you use command, you will be click here. Okay, it asking you inserted welcome site techno admin. If you want to be insert, just you click here. One more, see, you can see here first is only computer like this, second written believe in, like third written take care heart. So I want to be insert welcome site techno because I have made another file, that one. So that will ask you, you can be click here and click. When you click, see, you can see here new slides I have taken here from another file. So you can observe here. Okay, you can see here this are same kind thing. So again it will ask insert welcome site techno. Okay, next slide come. So how many slides are there, it will come like only in that file only 2 slide was there, that's why it came here. Okay, you can be use our slide size, custom new settings. This, see, like this, if you want to be add another slides in here, you can be add. And when you add or when you compare, when you combine 2 3 slides, that will ask you accept or reject. See, this slide I want to be accept or reject. Okay, if you okay, if I feel I can be accept, otherwise I can be reject. Okay, the reject all changes to this slide. Okay, it will reject. If I click here accept, it will be accept, or if I reject all. So depend upon, if you see, if you have two slides are there, you want to be make somewhat few ppts from their slides, another ppt and few slides from this, then you can be combine. If you don't want, then you can be reject all, combine you can use. Okay, that is on previous. Next, you know, if you want front side, okay, front one and back one, you can use previous. And reviving pan, this is a pan, you can see when you click reviving pan is coming. See, slides and about slides details will be there. So that is the description about the that one. And view review, nothing will happen, you can be review that. So this is the slide review, you can be end here. So like this, it's very, you can understand here. One more time, just I'm recatching you. Spoofing, you can be do spelling properly, you can check. Okay, you can use shortcut key F7. And research, you can go for about that details, like one educator is there about, it will give like a somewhat details elaboration will be get. And thesis will get here one particular multiple options. So like one welcome you selected. So when I click welcome, related welcome, many meanings words will become. Okay, then you can have seen languages, you can, one is that you can translate language, one is for you have to decide the language. And this is comment for comment box, we have said you can be give comment a particular word or image, you can be write the comments. And this is the review for compare, when you want to be combine or mix of 2 3 slides, 2 3 ppts, and you can be take few slides and you can make perfectly. So this is, I hope you have understand very well about review tab. And if you want to more videos about PPT, in description I already have given for home tab, insert, design, transitions, animation, slideshow, and with related complete PPT presentation you can be learn by video, watching the videos. All videos I posted, so you can watch, and you like, comment and subscribe.